Hello, you guys, my friends, and welcome. Am I filming? Yes, I am. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing a tutorial that was actually, for the first time in my life, highly requested. I promise you, there was more than 3 people asking for this. There was at least 10 of you. For you guys, for the 10 of you, I did record this hair and how to do it today.
Am I not the biggest sport in the world? I mean, I'm just the best. I'm the best of internet friends.
No, that was a reach. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I do this hair. I just use a regular straightening iron. I know that there are tools out there, like those 3-headed kind of curling iron things. I don't have one of those, so I just did this with a straightening iron. So if you have that at home, you can do this look. Also, my hair is very thick and coarse. That's kind of the same thing, isn't it? Yeah, that's the same. And also very fluffy and frizzy. I think that naturally I could bring out a curl. I've never tried to. I've just been lazy for the past... I've been heat styling my hair for the past 15 years. Am I that old? The answer will be yes. So I'm just gonna scoot you over to my bathroom and show you how I do my hair. All right, just because I know that people are gonna ask, this is what I wash my hair with. The shampoo that I use currently and that I love is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil
Intensive hydration shampoo with fig extract and
baobab oil. And then for my conditioner, I've loving this one lately. It's the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Kale plus Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner. Love this. This is one of my favorite conditioners I've ever tried. Like, it leaves my hair so smooth. And I just leave this on for 5 minutes. And then as styling products, there's 2 products I use. Okay, so, oh my God. I love this Dream Coat from Color Wow. I'm currently working on a post where I show you how my hair dries with this in, and how my hair dries after 3 weeks of not using it. I spritz this in and it just takes away so much frizz. And then I use this one all the other times just before I blow dry my hair. It's the R&Co Mood Swing Straightening Spray. Just makes it even shinier, even smoother, easier to blow out, and easier to heat style. All right, I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then I'll be back to show you how I do the waves. Okay? Okay, let's go. There we go. My hair is now completely dry. So I'm gonna just start by sectioning off my hair. And then, all right, so basically what I do is I take a strand of hair, and then what I do is I do an S curve. So I put the straightener at the bottom, then I round it out like this, and then I round it out the other way, and then I round it out again that way, and I just continue on like that all the way down on the strand. And this is the result that I get. It's not more difficult than that. So I do the next one this much maybe. I go in, I start going around it out like this. I round it in, round it out. And I think that like every half circle, can I call it that, is maybe 1 inch long. There we go. And I just keep on doing that throughout my whole hair. So when I get to the back, I honestly don't have a strategy. I don't look in the mirror. I mean, it's in the back of my head. If I can't see it, it doesn't count, right? Okay, so that's the first layer of hair. So I just put that back and then I take down the next one. So now I continue on doing my sides until I reach the top of my head. Then I do the rest of the back and then I do the top. Why I do it in that order, I cannot tell you. As I said, like if you want smaller waves, just grab smaller pieces of hair and make the S curve tighter. Sometimes I do a very thin but wide strand like this. That also works. When I get to like the top of my head, which is basically this area right here, the definition of the wave is a lot more important because that is the hair that shows up the most. So when I get to this part, I usually do smaller waves and smaller strands of hair. So I'll show you, like with this piece right here, I'll take that much and then there's hair everywhere. I'll just do smaller waves, especially in the front. Like that. Then you can straighten that out a bit once you're finished if you want to, but I like having a lot of definition in the front. Okay, let's do the last piece of hair. All right, to finish this off, I going with my hair oil. I use the one from Reverie, which is the recovery hair oil, and I actually use quite a lot of it. I do like 3 pumps, which is 1, 2, 3. Fuck. I warm it in between my hands, and then I just actually squeeze it in because I don't want to run it through my waves because that will kind of ruin the definition, and squeezing in the oil like this will rather add definition to the wave. Then I'll just take whatever's left in my palm and smooth out any frizz that I've got going on right in the part. But yeah, that's it. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, maybe please, no, if you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Why would I beg you to? I think you should, you need to. Definitely, 100% give this video a thumbs up. That's it for my rant. Hope you enjoy this. See you in the next one.